cardboard box, some glue, any type of glue will work, but glue meant for paper and cardboard is very good. One of these things, a hanger, a clothes hanger, whatever you call them, and a bottle cap. Also, you can use anything for ammo. I'm using these things because they're very easy and they don't hurt anybody if you fire them. So, okay, let's get started. So, first, you take your cardboard box, your glue, and your hanger, whatever you want to call it. I called it a hanger because, well, it's called a hanger. So, what you do, you take your glue, again, the second time in 30 seconds. You smear some glue onto the hanger, or whatever you call it, and then you press it onto here. Okay, so I just waited for the glue to dry, and it turns out that you need to add a lot of glue. So add some glue to the sides and this side. Make sure to add a lot of glue here because, well, it won't stick. Now you have this. It works pretty well, and if there's like some remnant glue, just take it off. Okay, so now take a bit more glue. Yeah, it hasn't dried out. Take a bottle cap, and you see the bottom? You see the bottom? You smear quite a bit of glue onto it. And then remove this and put it onto here. Now make sure to apply some pressure, like this. If you want to, while you're doing this, since you have some excess glue on it, sometimes you can top this bit up. So make sure to press and put some pressure on it, really. And then you wait. So, hello guys, I forgot to tell you the levels earlier of how difficult it is and stuff like that, like the 2-level difficulty and things like that. But that's actually because it varies between people. Some people may take like 3 minutes. Other people it might take 1 hour. It took me a really long time because this glue is annoying and takes too long to dry. A lot too long. Very long time. It takes like 30 minutes to dry. Anyway, so take your ammo. If you're using light ammo, scrunch it up into a ball and load it in. You might want to put elevation because well, let's see. So, no elevation basically doesn't go anywhere. Elevation, yeah. Elevation, boom, it goes farther. But I suggest that you don't use light ammo, you use something not light, like a rock, because it goes a lot further. I'm not going to fire at the camera because I'm going to destroy it. Cool, so it goes about 1 meter, 2 meters. You also might wanna put things in the back because otherwise the glue just gonna fall off if you do it. So put some space in the back. If you've already glued it, well, tough luck. I guess you just gotta wait it to dry. But I always find it easier like this because, well, it also makes it more practical for firing. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Also, if you want to make it better, you just add weight in the back. You just put something underneath the cardboard box or inside the cardboard box, and it's much easier. You can also glue the supports if you want to do it. Like, if you put supports anyway, you just glue the supports. I'm going to use the glue here because it's the only thing that I have at hand apart from plants and this plant. It's spiky. Anyway, so, yeah. See you next time. Hello, this is from Newton the Animator. If you want to watch more of these, just type in the words crafts with me.